Good day, everyone. I am Shaiti Sunida from BSid English 2. I am here to defend my stand, which is we acquire language due to nurture. What is language? Now, language, it is known as the principal and systematized method of human communication that consists of words in a structured and conventional manner that is delivered through speech, writing, gestures, and etc. Language is what we use when we communicate to people around the world, from other countries or in our own country. Language also helps us build relationship, network, connection, and social customs. Now let's move on to language acquisition. What is language acquisition? Language acquisition is a process by which individuals acquire the ability and capacity to perceive, understand, and comprehend language. It also produces and uses words and sentences to communicate, connect, and belong. For example, as an educator, we learn and acquire language as our responsibility and a duty for us in order to assess our students of different culture and also help them in their studies. Now let's go on to our stand, which is we acquire language due to nurture. What is nurture? Nurture, it is the acquisition and possessing of traits by experiencing and learning after we are conceived. We may not be born with a knowledge, understanding, data, and information regarding of the different subject matter and etc., but through environmental factors, we could grow and develop. This refers to the role and importance of the environment towards the development and growth of the child. Also, the behavioral theory assumes that children are influenced by what they hear and see and continuously having positive reinforcement, conditioning, and having a formation of the child. In this part, the child's growth, development of knowledge, understanding, and learning based on what they hear and they see towards their environment and also to the people around them. This point of view, which is we acquire language due to nurture, this demonstrates how far we go beyond our limitations, exceed our boundaries, and also explore, discover, and learn through things around us. Language acquisition as a result of nurture, behaviorists propose that a child's environment plays a big role, impact, effect, and is the most important factor in first language acquisition. And if the child is exposed to rich language that forms and influences a good habit formation along in guiding a good and proper language development of the child. So this also explains no to what is nurture, in which through environmental factor we could grow and develop, as well as also to the behavioral theory, in which it assumes that children are influenced by what they hear and see. This is also a supporting idea to the said ideas from before. Lastly, in my own point of view, we acquire language due to nurture because as human beings, it is already innate in us to learn. But as social animals, we tend to explore and discover more for the basis of joining the changes, development, advancement, and evolution of the 21st century generation, the modern world, and the modern era.